Where do you see the opportunity when you look at the entrepreneurs that you work with to make a positive impact, sort of especially coming out of the AI tech phase? Are there particular use cases that you're most excited about?
Yeah, so clearly 2024 is clearly a challenging year for different reasons, but for sure we need concrete actions. And that's why I think and we are convinced about the fact that entrepreneurs can help CEOs, leaders, and all the organizations to solve and address societal and environmental challenges with concrete actions. And that, in general, powered by technologies. So this is where we talk about digital transformation and AI, because AI and technology can supercharge this innovation from entrepreneurs and can give concrete solutions for CEOs and leaders when they think about their execution plan. It's not just about thinking about the strategy, but really doing, execute, and that's part of the strategy, to have a combination of different solutions.
Are there one or two examples that you would give that you're particularly excited about, where you think that really this year can be a driver of progress also on some fronts?
Yeah, so we have a lot of examples of entrepreneurs who work with digital innovations, and all of them are using AI. One of the examples I have in mind is a company called EcoVadis. This is a famous impact scale-up in Europe, and they are helping leaders, they are helping C-levels in different companies to assess the CSR or ESG rating. So it's not just about measurement of impact, but at the end, it's about recommendation, how you can drive a strategy for your CSR or ESG, and with concrete actions to make in order to create improvement and maximize impact. That's one example. Another one is biodiversity. Biodiversity is a company based in Belgium, and they are using bees, like the bees, as a drone for agriculture. So that can help companies to work on biodiversity with bees and technologies, and all of that is powered by AI.
There's also obviously people, or a big group of people, especially in countries like Germany, but also France, that are concerned about AI and worried about their job. Or how would you get them on board with the opportunities? How do you think we can get people involved that are otherwise concerned about the use of tech?
It all starts with what we call responsible AI, because even if AI is an opportunity with a lot of data to be processed, analyzed, and create more, there is also the starting point. And the starting point is about ethical and responsibility. So all of the discussion we start with our entrepreneurs, companies or partners who want to work with AI start with responsible AI, meaning that you need to think about responsible pillars. Do you have an ethical mission, and do you have people to work on that? Because AI is just a platform, it's just a capability, but then it's all about humans. So AI can help humans to be augmented and to create more, not replacement or something like that. That's why it always starts with responsibility.
You guys have probably thought a lot about how you measure impact, right? When thinking, setting up the program. So what do you look at? What do you try to capture in terms of seeing whether you're creating success?
So for us, it's important when we select also our entrepreneurs to make sure they are able to measure the impact, and we do the same, meaning that we need to have strong KPIs. We need to make sure this is aligned with the mission. This is the why, but then how we measure the why. And this is two questions. The first one is, what is your bold mission by 2030? That's one. Two, how you will measure the success and the progress of that, and what are the three KPIs you have. So we do that for our entrepreneurs, but ourselves, we also have a lot of KPIs in our impact report, Microsoft Impact Report, concerning our responsibility at Microsoft and our commitment on carbon reduction, carbon removal, but also with our ecosystems of partners and customers. We are working with them to help them achieve their ESG, again, targets and KPIs. So measurement of success is clearly a big one, but super important.